Curvature of a circle is constant. From the fact that circle is collection of points which are at equidistant from a fixed point which we call as center of the circle, it trivially follows that curvature of a circle is same at every point, and larger the radius of the circle, smaller will be the curvature. You can consider a straight line as a circle whose radius is infinite. Suppose you fix a point and call it as center of circle, and from this fixed point you are drawing collection of points which are at radius equal to infinity will give you a straight line. Since we have the idea that larger the radius of the circle, smaller will be the curvature, when the radius of the circle is infinity, the curvature will be 0, and hence we have curvature of a straight line at every point will be 0. Let us try to investigate on the fact that curvature of circle is constant. Suppose you consider a circle which is centered at O, and at points P and Q on the circle, you are drawing tangents T and T dash respectively. Suppose the radius of the circle is R, and let arc PQ equals delta S. We have angle between the tangents T and T dash is given by delta psi, and hence the angle POQ will also be delta psi. OQ and OP are normals drawn to tangents T dash and T respectively. We have the result arc length equals R into theta, where arc length equals delta S, R is the radius and theta is the angle delta psi, which is the angle POQ. Using this relation we have angle delta psi equals delta S upon radius R. When you consider the limiting case, Q approaches P, we have limit Q tends to P, delta psi by delta S equals d psi by ds, which is curvature of the circle. Since we have d psi by ds equals 1 by r, we have curvature of the circle is constant at any point on the circle, and the constant value is 1 by r. From this relation 1 by r equals d psi by ds, which is the curvature, it's clear that when radius increase, curvature will decrease. And since radius of curvature is the reciprocal of curvature, we have radius of curvature for the circle will be reciprocal of 1 by r, which is r itself. That is, radius of curvature of the circle at any point equals radius r. Curvature at any point on the circle is thus a constant value, and the value will be reciprocal of radius of the circle. Radius of curvature at any point of the circle will also be a constant value, and the value will be radius r. When you consider straight line as a circle with infinite radius, we have curvature equals 0 at every point on the straight line, and radius of curvature equals infinity at any point on the straight line.